Hi everyone, this is Matthew Allo. In this video, I will take you through a project that will make you more proficient in Microsoft Word. This video will also help you pass Microsoft Word 365 and 2019 exams. So let's go through this project one after the other.
Task 1. Change the margin setting for this document to normal. Change the margin setting for this document to normal. So to do this, just click on the layout tab. Then in the page setup group, you see margins. So click on margin, then normal. So you select the option normal. Okay, that is done. Next question. Okay, correct. Task 2. Change the page orientation to landscape. Change the page orientation to landscape. So to do this, you just click on the layout tab. Then in the page setup group, you select orientation. Then you change to select landscape. Okay, correct. Task 3. Add an orange solid line box page border with a width of 1 point. Add an orange solid line box page border with a width of 1 point. So to do this, just click on the design tab. Then in the page background group, you select page borders. Then here as well in the borders and shading dialog box, you select box and 1 point orange solid line box page border. So okay, here you select the color orange, then 1 point. This will be changed to 1 point. And select OK. You click OK. Okay, that's done. It's applied. Correct. Task 4. Use quick paths to replace the title Fusion Summer Business Plan with the document property title. Use quick paths to replace the title Fusion Summer Business Plan with the document property title. So to do this, just select the title here, Fusion Summer Business Plan. Then you click on the Insert tab and the text in the text group you see quick paths. Okay, quick paths, explore quick paths. So when you select document property here and select title. Okay, that has been done. Okay, next question. Correct. Task 5. Turn on automatic hyphenation so that words can be split on their syllables. Turn on automatic hyphenation so that words can be split on their syllables. Okay, to do this, just select the layout tab. Then in the page setup group, you see hyphenation. Page setup group hyphenation. So you select automatic. Automatic. Okay, that is done. Okay, correct. Task 6. Insert the draft 1 watermark using the building blocks organizer. Insert the draft 1 watermark using the building blocks organizer. Okay, to do this, just select the insert tab, go to the insert tab, click on the insert tab. Then in the text group, you see quick paths, then building blocks. Okay, so here this should be arranged in alphabetical order, or you can just click on name to make it arrange in alphabetical order. So you have the name block. Okay, let's see draft. draft 1. Okay, draft 1 watermark right here. So we click insert. Okay, that is apply draft watermark done. Okay, it's inserted. So okay, correct. Task 7. Apply the web layout view to this document. Apply the web layout view to this document. So to do this, just click on the view tab, then you select in the views group, you select web layout. Okay, that is done. Correct. Task 8. Add a hyperlink pointing to the email address contact at fusiontomo.com to the word email at the bottom of this document. Add a hyperlink pointing to the email address contact at fusiontomo.com to the word email at the bottom of this document. So you scroll down to the bottom of the document. Okay, so the word email, select the word email, then you go to the hyperlink dialog box, insert tab, you click on insert tab. In the links group, you select links, select link, then you have the insert hyperlink dialog box, and here you have email address, you type contact at fusiontomo.com, contact at fusiontomo.com. So ensure that the spelling is correct. Ensure that the spelling is correct. Okay, just click OK. So this is going to be pointing to contact fusiontomo.com. Okay, that is done. Okay, correct. Task 9. Create a concert program using the band concert program template and save the document as a web page file type. Create a concert program using the band concert program template and save the document as a web page file type. Okay, to do this, just select the file tab, then select new, then here you type band concert program. Enter, search for it. Okay, band concert program. Create a concert using band concert program template. Band concert program template. So you select this and select create. Still downloading. Okay, so save the document as a web page file template. So to save this, just click on the file tab, then save as, and you can scroll down to browse, and you're saving as a web page file. Okay, web page. Okay, as a web page file, just select web page, click save. Okay, question correct. Task 10. Apply the draft view to this document. Apply the draft view to this document. So to do this, just click on the view tab, then drafts. In the views group, select drafts. Okay, that is done. Okay, correct. Task 11. Change the file type of this document to rich text format and save it with the name document 1. Change the file type of this document to rich text format and save it with the name document 1. Okay, so to do this, the file type, to do that, you just click on the file tab and you can click save as and browse rich text format. Rich text format. So that's the file type, rich text format. Then save it with the name document 1. Document 1. Okay. So you click save. Correct. Task 12. Show the paragraph marks for this document. Show the paragraph marks for this document. So to do this, just click on the Home tab. Then in the paragraphs group, you have the paragraph mark, show paragraph marks, and other hidden formatting tools or symbols. Okay, that is done. Okay, correct. Task 13. Create a new document using any template. Create a new document using any template. So to do this, just click on the File tab, then select New. Just select the template here. Okay. Just select any template. Okay. Okay, there's one here already. Just create using any template. Okay, no name to save it with. Okay, correct. Task 14. Add a comment to the paragraph starting with allocation of functions and ending with achievement of the objectives. Have it read add bullet to make this stand out. Add a comment to the paragraphs starting with allocation of functions and ending with achievement of the objectives. Have it read add bullet to make this stand out. Okay, so add a comment to the paragraphs starting with allocation of functions. Just locate that paragraph, allocation of functions. Okay, so to add comment, just select that paragraph or those paragraphs or paragraphs starting with adding comment to paragraphs. Okay, so now to add comments, just go to the review tab. You have new comments. So you read add bullet. Add bullet to make this stand out. Make this stand out. Okay, that is done. Correct. Task 15. Add a comment to the last heading called Summary and Style Guide Example, saying where is the Style Guide Example hyperlink. Add a comment to the last heading called Summary and Style Guide Example, saying where is the Style Guide Example hyperlink. Okay, so to do this, you locate the last heading, Summary and Style Guide Example. Okay, so we select Summary and Style Guide Example. So we are adding a comment saying where is the Style Guide Example hyperlink. So to insert a comment, just click the review tab and new comment. So you type where is the Style Guide Example hyperlink. Okay, summer. That is done. Correct. Task 16. Change the color of the background to tan background 2 and add a box border with a width of 6 points. Change the color of the background to tan background 2 and add a box border with a width of 6 points. Now to do this, you go to the design tab and in the page background group, select page color, then select tan background 2. So select page borders, width of 6 points. Okay, box 6 points. Okay, that is done. Correct. Task 17. Save the document in the Geometrics templates folder as a template under the name ocean.x. Save the document in the Geometrics templates folder as a template under the name ocean.x. So now to do this, you select the file tab, then save as, and just click browse and select Geometrics template. So as a template, so word template, okay, then ocean, type ocean, that's the name of document. I'm sure it is saved in Geometrics templates folder. Select Geometrics templates folder and click save. Okay, correct. Task 18. Edit the footer and set the options to not have a different first page. Edit the footer and set the options to not have a different first page. So to do this, just open the footer or the footer at the bottom, just double click. Okay, that is open. Now in the options group here, in the header and footer contextual tab, the options group, so you just uncheck this. Okay, so that is done. Different first page means that the first page will be formatted differently from other pages. Okay, now it has been unchecked, so the footer as on the first page is just the same with the rest. Okay, so it doesn't have different first page formatted differently. Okay, so that is done. Then you can close the header footer here. Good, that is done. Correct. Task 19. Add a blank footer and enter copyright Fusion Tomo all rights reserved. Add a blank footer and enter copyright Fusion Tomo all rights reserved. Okay, to do this, just go to the Start tab and footer, a blank footer, select blank footer. Okay, then the text should be copyright. Okay, with a symbol. Do that. Just bracket. Okay, space. Bracket C. Bracket. Give it that. Okay. So Fusion Tomo space all right reserved. Okay, that is done. You can close the header and footer. Correct. Task 20. Insert a page number at the bottom of the page using the Stack Pages 2 option. Insert a page number at the bottom of the page using the Stacked Pages 2 option. Okay, to do this, just click on the Insert tab. Then in the header and footer group, you have page number. Okay, then you go to bottom of page. So you're inserting Stack Pages 2 option. Stack Pages 2 option. Just scroll down. Stack Pages 2 option. Okay, there it is. You have Stack Pages 2. Okay, that is done. And close header and footer. Okay. Correct. Task 21. Mark the document as final to protect its content and prepare it for sharing. Mark the document as final to protect its content and prepare it for sharing. Okay, to do this, just click on the File tab. Then you click on Info. Then Mark as final. Okay, here you select Mark as final. Okay, this document will be marked as final and then saved. Okay, click OK. Okay, so it has been marked as final. So now correct. Task 22. Insert a header using quick paths in the document property category box. Enter design. Insert a header using quick paths in the document property category box. Enter design. Okay, to do this, just insert a header. Inside a header, you click on the insert tab. Then the header and footer group, see header. Okay, just insert a header. Okay, so here, just select these and in the header and footer contextual tab, you have quick path. Using quick path in the insert group, quick path, then document property, category, then enter design. Okay, so you can close the header and footer. Okay, it's done. Correct. Task 23. Format the page background to have the preset gradient ocean with a from center shading style. Format the page background to have the preset gradient ocean with a from center shading style. Okay, to do this, you got the design tab, then in the page background group, select page color, then you go to the fill effect. Okay, and you have gradient. Okay, gradient, preset gradient ocean, preset gradient, preset gradient, select ocean. Okay, then from center shading style, from center shading styles, from center, select from center. Okay, and click OK. That is done. Correct. Task 24. Add a comment to the heading climate effects saying remove the second paragraph. Add a comment to the heading climate effect saying remove the second paragraph. Okay, to do this, you locate the heading climate effect. Climate effect, okay. There it is. So we select climate effect heading, and to add a comment, just select the review tab, then new comments. Okay, now we type remove the second paragraph. Okay, the second paragraph. That's done. Correct. Task 25. Add a watermark image to the background and don't have the washout option checked. Use the image ftlogo.gif located in the geometrics templates folder inside your document folder as the watermark image. Add a watermark image to the background and don't have the washout option checked. Use the image ftlogo.gif located in the geometrics templates folder inside your documents folder as the watermark image. Okay, to do this, just click on the design tab, then in the page background group you select watermark and custom watermark, and since you're inserting picture, so select picture of watermark and select picture right here. Okay, so from a file, so geometrics template folder in the document folder, geometrics templates folder. Okay, this FT logo, you click inside. Okay, so don't have the washout option checked, so uncheck this. Okay, that is done, and right. Okay, that is done. Correct. Task 26. Find the comment attached to CCP and delete it. Find the comment attached to CCP and delete it. Okay, to do this, just scroll down to CCP. Okay, here's a comment, and you go to the review tab, select delete and delete. Okay, that is done. Correct. Task 27. Beginning with the confidential information paragraph, format this document as two equal columns. Beginning with the confidential information paragraph, format this document as two equal columns. Okay, to do this, just go to confidential information paragraph and select down. Okay, then click on the layout tab. In the page setup group, you click columns, then two, select two columns. Okay, see that is done. Correct. Task 28. Modify the spacing of the bulleted list by removing the space after each paragraph. Modify the spacing of the bulleted list by removing the space after each paragraph. Now, to do this, you just select the paragraph, the bulleted list. Select the bulleted list. Okay, that is done. Now, go to paragraph group. You can see here line and spacing, line and paragraph spacing. So remove space after each paragraph. Select that. Okay, that is done. Okay, correct. Task 29. Use find and replace to replace the hash character with the dollar character. Use find and replace to replace the hash character with the dollar character. Okay, so to do this, you go to the home tab, and in the editing group you have replace, select replace. So what do you find it? So we just type it in the box, find what, type it in the box, hash. Okay, then replace it with the dollar sign. replace all. Okay, to replace what has been made. Okay, now it's done. Okay, here's one. Then there's the second one. Okay, see this and this. Okay, correct. Task 30. In AutoCorrect options, add an AutoCorrect initial caps exception to not correct the word geometrics. Close all dialog boxes. In AutoCorrect options, add an AutoCorrect initial caps exception to not correct the word geometrics. Close all dialog boxes. Okay, to do this, click on the File tab, then move down to Options. Okay, let's dog this up, dog up. You can see, okay, dog top. Okay, so go to see the more, then options. Okay, then go to proofing here and click autocorrect options, and autocorrect exception, autocorrect initial caps exception, autocorrect exception, initial caps extension. Okay, now to correct the word geometrics. You type geometrics, so don't correct geometrics. Okay, so you select add, how to correct geometrics, so you type don't correct geometrics, so that's the word. So that means it won't be correcting that as an initial cap. So once it is put there, so it's not correct the word geometrics. So autocorrect initial, so as add, click OK, close all dialog boxes, click OK, then click OK again. Okay, that's done. Correct. Task 31. Convert the title apples to a word art image with the style fill olive green, accent 3, sharp bevel. Change the text wrap to in line with text. Convert the title apples to a word art image with the style fill olive green, accent 3, sharp bevel. Change the text wrap to in line with text. So now to do this, you just go to the title apples, select it, then go to the insert tab, word art, then fill olive green, accent 3, sharp bevel. Okay, so change the text wrap to in line with text. Text wrap to in line with text. Text wrap, text in line with text. Okay, that's done. Correct. Task 32. In the autocorrect options, add the word actually to be replaced with actually. In the autocorrect options, add the word actually to be replaced with actually. Okay, different spellings. Okay, let's do this. You click on the File tab, then more, click options. Now click on proofing, then the autocorrect options, add the word actually to be replaced with actually. Okay, so type here actually, replace with actually. Okay, Okay, just try to spelling. Sure you put in the correct spelling, enter the correct spelling. Okay, that is done. Click add. Okay, it's been added. Then click OK. Again here. Okay, let's dock this tutorial. You can see it's here. So click OK again. That is done. Correct. Task 32. In the autocorrect options, add the word actually to be replaced with actually. In the autocorrect options, add the word actually to be replaced with actually. Okay, different spellings. Okay, let's do this. You click on the file tab, then more, click options. Now click on proofing, then the autocorrect options, add the word actually to be replaced with actually. Okay, so type here actually, replace with actually. Okay, click OK. Just try to spelling. Sure you put in the correct spelling, enter the correct spelling. Okay, that is done. Click add. Okay, it's been added. Then click OK. Again here. Okay, let's dock this tutorial. You can see it's here. So click OK again. That is done. Correct. Task 33. Beginning with the paragraph that starts with I would like and ending with the paragraph that begins with please keep in touch. Change the paragraph settings to full justify. Beginning with the paragraph that starts with I would like and ending with the paragraph that begins with please keep in touch. Change the paragraph settings to full justify. So to do this, just select from the paragraph that starts with I would like and down to the paragraph that begins with please keep in touch. Okay, so to set this to full justify, go to the home tab, then in the paragraph group you have justify. Okay, that is done. Okay, correct. Task 34. In autocorrect options, do not have it replace text as you type. In autocorrect options, do not have it replace text as you type. Okay, to do this, just click on the file tab, then more, then options, then click on proofing, then autocorrect option. Do not have it replace text as you type. Replace text as you type. So uncheck this, replace text as you type, then click OK. Then again click OK. Let's lock this up. Let's see the OK button. Go to the top and OK. Okay, it's done. Now correct. Task 35. Select the list that starts with hiring forms and special and ends with be carried out. Decrease the indent of the list by 1. Select the list that starts with hiring forms and special and ends with be carried out. Decrease the indent of the list by 1. Okay, to do this, so you select the list that starts with hiring forms and ends with be carried out. Okay, be carried out. Then decrease the indent of the list by 1. So you go to the home tab, the paragraph group, you have increase indent and decrease indent. Then you just click on decrease indent. Once that is done, okay, correct. Task 36. Change the codes starting with hard work and ending with Charles Lazarus to center alignment with a left and right indentation of 0.5 inches, equivalent to 1.27 centimeters. Change the code starting with hard work and ending with Charles Lazarus to center alignment with a left and right indentation of 0.5 inches or 1.27 centimeters. Okay, let's do that. To do this, go to the code starting with hard work. Code starting with hard work. Okay, hard work here. And ending with Charles Lazarus. Select that. Then to center alignment. So in the home tab in the paragraph group, you have center alignment. So with the left and right indentation of 0.5. Okay, this and you have left and right indentation. So left and right. So it's already center aligned. And left and right indentation 0.5 and 0.5 left and right. Click OK. So for inches that's done. Okay. Correct. Task 37. Add the checkmark bullet to the paragraph starting with the title, allocation of functions, and ending with the title, incentives, and prices. Add the checkmark bullet to the paragraph starting with the title, allocation of functions, and ending with the title, incentives, and prices. Okay, to do this, you locate the paragraph and start with allocation of functions. Allocation of functions. Okay, and it is to incentives and prices. Okay, incentives and prices. Okay, so you're adding check mark bullet in the home tab in the paragraph group, bullet, and here you have check mark. Correct. Task 38. Change the bullet points starting with hiring forms and ending with when it will to a numbering format of 1, 2, 3. Change the bullet points starting with hiring forms and ending with when it will to a numbering format of 1, 2, 3. So that's to do this. The bullet of the hiring form, you select that, then go to numbering and change to this. Okay, that's it. That's done. Correct. Task 39. Apply the intense emphasis style to the table on page 1. Then convert the table to text separated with paragraph marks. Apply the intense emphasis style to the table on page 1. Then convert the table to text separated with paragraph marks. Okay, to do this, so to apply the intense emphasis to the table on page 1, so the table on page 1 is here, right here. You select the table. Okay, then apply the intense emphasis style. So go to the home tab, click on the home tab, and in the styles group you have intense emphasis style. Okay, that is it. Then convert the table to text separated with paragraph marks. To do that, to convert the table to text, you click on the layout contextual tab right here, and the data group, select convert to text, then separated by paragraph mark. Ensure this is selected, separated text with paragraph marks. Okay. Okay. So you click OK. That is done. Then convert it to text. Convert it to text. Okay. Correct. Task 40. Convert the text in the last paragraph of the document starting with PA result into a table. Convert the text in the last paragraph of the document starting with PA result into a table. So to do this, just go to the last paragraph starting with PA result. Okay, PA result. Okay, starting with PA result into a table. So you go to Insert tab in the table group, see Convert text to table. Okay, click OK. That is done. Correct. Task 41. Add bullets to the paragraph lines that begin under the headings, the purposes, and examples of reasons. Add bullets to the paragraph lines that begin under the headings, the purposes, and examples of reasons. Okay, to do this, just select the paragraph, add bullets to the paragraph that begin under the heading, okay, purposes, and examples of reasons. Okay. Control. I begin under the heading, purposes, okay. Under the heading, the purposes, select this, and control. Okay, done. Then bullets. But no actual text before I just click bullets. That is done. Correct. Task 42. Select the table starting with company presentation and show all borders. Select the table starting with company presentation and show all borders. So you go to the table starting with company presentation, select the table, then go to the table design textual tab, then the borders group, select all borders. Okay, it's done. Correct. Task 43. Add the built-in works cited bibliography to the bottom of the document. Add the built-in works cited bibliography to the bottom of the document. Okay, to do this, go to the bottom of the document. Okay. Then to add the built-in bibliography, click on the references tab. Then in the citations and bibliography group, select this, select bibliography, and select built-in works cited, works cited. So works cited, bibliography. Okay, that is done. Okay, correct. Task 44. Insert the table of contents at the beginning of the document using automatic table 1. Insert the table of contents at the beginning of the document using automatic table 1. Okay, to do this, go to the beginning of the document. Okay, then go to the references tab, then the table of contents group, automatic table 1. Okay, that is done. That is done. Correct. Task 44. Insert the table of contents at the beginning of the document using automatic table 1. Insert the table of contents at the beginning of the document using automatic table 1. Okay, to do this, go to the beginning of the document. Okay, then go to the references tab, then the table of contents group, automatic table 1. Okay, that is done. It's done. Correct. Task 45. Create a table of contents using the automatic table 2 and set the headings above the paragraphs to level 2. Create a table of contents using the automatic table 2 and set the headings above the paragraphs to level 2. Okay, to do this, you go to the, just click at the beginning of the document and go to the references tab, then the table of contents, automatic table 2, right here you select it. Okay, click OK and go to each of the headings in the document, select the first one, why even use a style guide, press the enter key down, press the enter key, then purposes, then do you need one style guide or more, then examples of reasons, then how detailed should a style be, and what more, have a summary and style guide example. Okay, having done that, we go to add text, then it should be set to level 2, and next is to update the table, and then that's done. Next. Okay, correct. Task 46. Change the shape outline of the rounded rectangle at the bottom of page 2 to red. Change the shape outline of the rounded rectangle at the bottom of page 2 to red. Okay, let's see on page 2 on the right, rounded rectangle, bottom of page 2. Okay, so the shape outline, so you just click on the rounded rectangle, then go to shape format, then the shape outline in the shape styles group to red. Okay, that is done. Correct. Task 47. Apply the simple frame white picture style to the image of two apples on page 1 of the document. Apply the simple frame white picture style to the image of the two apples on page 1 of the document. Okay, so let's locate the apple on page 1. Okay, now you select the picture, select it, and go to picture format and picture style, simple frame white, simple frame white, simple frame black, simple frame white. Okay, simple frame white, picture style. Okay, now it's done. Correct. Task 48. Inside the false text box, enter the quote, learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow. Deselect the text box. Inside the false text box, enter the quote, learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow. Deselect this text box. Okay, to do this, the false text box. Okay, so enter the quote, learn from yesterday, live for today, for tomorrow. Okay, select the text box. Okay, that's done. Correct. Task 49. Move the paragraph starting with merit rating into the text box. Move the paragraph starting with merit rating into the text box. Okay, the paragraph starting with merit rating. Hold on. Okay, the paragraph starting with merit rating. Okay, so just select, or I will select that. You can drag into the text box. Start. Okay, correct. Task 50. Insert the banded code text box into the document before the bonus section. Insert the banded code text box into the document before the bonus section. Okay, to do this, locate bonus section. Okay, before the bonus section, insert the banded code. Banded code, so you go to insert the text group, have text box, banded code, right here, see that. Okay, before the bonus section. Correct. Task 51. Apply a black text 1 glow to the cloud picture under the climate effect. Apply a black text 1 glow to the cloud picture under the climate effect. Okay, to do this, locate the cloud picture. Okay, under the climate effect, you select it and go to the picture format, select the picture format, then effect, picture effect, and go down to glow, black text 1, black text 1. Okay, more glow colors, black text 1. Okay, so select it. Correct. That's done. Task 52. Insert the retrospect code text box at the end of the document and enter the words "the ocean is a water word." Insert the retrospect code text box at the end of the document and enter the words "the ocean is a water word." Okay, to do this, go to the end of the document, scroll down to the end of the document. Okay, then retrospect quote text box. So you go to the insert tab, then the text group, have the text box drop down arrow, you click on it and go down to retrospect text box. Retrospect quotes. Okay, retrospect quotes. So select that and type the ocean. The ocean is a water word. Water word. So you mind the case. This should be uppercase. Okay. Okay, that's done. Correct. Exercise 3. Select the code that starts with hard work is the key to success and ends with Charles Lazarus. Use the draw text box tool to create a text box and apply the shape style, subtle effects, orange accent 6. Select the code that starts with hard work is the key to success and ends with Charles Lazarus. Use the draw text box tool to create a text box and apply the shape style, subtle effects, orange accent 6. Orange accent 6. Okay, so you locate the code that start with hard work is the key to success and ends with Charles Lazarus. That's selected. So we go to the insert tab. In the text group, you select the drop down to that text box. Then you have draw text box. Okay, that is done. Then apply the shape style. Shape style. So you click on the shape format contextual tab, shape style, subtle effect, orange accent 6. Subtle effect, subtle effect, orange accent 6, subtle effect, subtle effect, orange accent 6. Okay, subtle effect, orange accent 6. Okay, that is done. Correct.
I believe you have learned a lot from the video. So to keep getting this kind of video, ensure you click on the subscribe button and drop your comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.